this to a rapper. I wish this would happen to a rapper. I'm gonna say this bar, this line right here happen to a rapper. Anything I done rapped about is, you know, I'm just rapping what's going on in the streets. I'm just rapping my life. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I'm not rapping about something that, I hope happened, or it should go like this. Like, nah, I'm just rapping. I'm telling you what happened. That's all I be doing. I'm like a blogger when it comes to the rap shit. Like, I'm blogging my life. I'm blogging the streets. I'm blogging what's going on some real life facts though type shit. Like, so it's like, it's not about I'm the aggressor, none of that. Nah, y'all it be all y'all motherfucking asses. Bro, 3, chill, bro. Well, what is you talking about, chill? Did you telling them that? Nah, they don't be over there telling them that. Y'all be over there saying, oh, why 3 doing this? Or why you all right? Or ooh, y'all think nah, bro, it's gotta be one band, one sound. It's gotta be equal. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's like, at the end of the day, if it was a difference or something, and the city want to see something, bro, they want to see something positive.
That was a shit.
Man, it's like, you know, them 15 hours, bro. Them 15 hours.
Yeah, a nigga knocked out, man. Yeah. Sleepwalk. You sleep with your head back. Ooh, yeah. Break your neck. Ooh, yeah. They say, ooh, yeah. You can't hold that boy up, okay, no. At this point, man, it's extra, man. That's your man, sleep shit. Man, you gotta cut your hair, you sleep.
Boy, gonna fit in that 15 hours.
Yeah, that's what it is. 15 hours, hard labor, man. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you sleeping 5 seconds. 2 seconds, you out of there, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, man. That's how nigga sleep, man. But you ain't sleep with your barber, man. You can't go sleep with your barber and wake up looking good. Something ain't right over there. Dropping everything, how you sleep?
Shit, I gotta get up at 4 in the morning.
Oh, I thought you were gonna go somewhere, man.
Huh?
I thought you said you
I
were going
gotta
somewhere.
get up in the morning at 4.
You gotta wake up?
Yeah.
Well, back up.
Shit, get to the money, man. Back to the money.
Back to the money. I'm back. I done got my 5 minutes of sleep. I'm gonna get back in
I'm
it.
trying to tell you.
That's like you get some sleep in the chair, boy. And then when you go low lay down, you're already good.